Hello, everyone. This is the Great Revival Fellowship Start Meeting app, and I'm just here to show you how you can join the meeting. This is the link that was provided join.startmeeting.com. So, what you do is you click on this link. When you click on this link, if you're using an Android phone, it's going to take you straight to the Apple. It's going to take you straight to the Android Google Play Store. But if you're using an Apple phone, it's going to take you to the Play Store, okay, where you can download Apple apps, okay, or iPhone apps. Now, what we do is we click on this link, and it's going to give us an option. It's going to ask us whether we want to use the browser on the phone, your browser on your phone, or if you want to use the Start Meeting application if you have already installed it. But let's assume we have not installed the Start Meeting application yet. So I click on this to go ahead with the browser option. When you get on your browser, your phone is going to do an instant or an instant quest into what phone you're using. Because we are using an Android phone, it redirects directly to the Apple to the Play Store. Okay, if you're using an Apple phone, it's going to redirect you to the Play Store for the Apple phone or for the iPhone. Okay, so right here it shows I've already installed this Start Meeting app, and if you've not installed it, it's still going to give you an option to install. You just click on the button install and it goes into install. Okay, right now because I've already installed it, let's go to my Google Play, the normal Google Play application I use on my phone. So let's go to my Play Store. If you're on an Apple phone, you're going to go to your Apple Store. So I search for the Start Meeting app, and here it shows it's already installed. All I need to do is to click on open right now, and as I've clicked on open, it shows me joined because I have already joined before. But what if I've not joined before? It's going to show you something like this. It's going to show you a page like this, join a meeting. So the best option to choose is the online meeting ID. When you click on this online meeting ID, it gives you a couple of boxes to fill, just about three of them, and it says online meeting ID is the first one. Um, your name is the second one, and your email is the next one. So let's start with the name, and I put in my name. Okay, and then my email. I just type in my email. Then the next box, the first box is the online meeting ID. The online meeting ID has already been provided for you in the WhatsApp text that you got. And down here it says, just below the link, it says enter the online meeting ID Great Revival Fellowship. So we're just going to go in here and type Great Revival Fellowship. Great Revival Fellowship, all small letters and all joined together. Once you've done this, you say join a meeting. It's going to connect you right to the meeting, and you're seeing three options right now: join through my phone, join through the internet, or join without audio. The best option to choose is join through the internet. So you choose internet, and once you've clicked on it, it gives you this loudspeaker. I wait, and So once it says you will be connected now, it starts playing a tone. Okay, you look up, you're going to see about four different icons. The icon to the left, to the x to the end here, to the left, shows profile photos. When you click on it, you're going to see yourself, you're going to see your name, your detail, and below you're also going to see the details of other people who are at that moment joined in on this meeting. Okay, so this shows the next icon shows the loudspeaker icon, where you can click on if you wanted to speak loudly, or if you want to deactivate the loudspeaker. Then the first icon on this place shows you a drop-in phone. When you click on that drop-in phone icon, it's going to mean you want to cut yourself out at once, you want to drop the call, or you want to end the meeting at that point. Okay, you are exiting the meeting when you click on that drop-in phone icon. And the video icon is for the video connection. Okay, so let's go back to this icon, this profile icon that shows some profile faces. Okay, you're going to see all details here. You can click on this mute to mute your voice. You can click on it. You can click on the message icon here. This message icon down here is going to show you list of messages or people who have typed messages to connect with, to communicate with other people while in the chat, okay, or while on the platform. Let's go back to the call or the phone icon. Here, once you click this drop-in phone icon, it disconnects you from this place. You can actually exit by clicking on the back. When you click on this back button, it says, "Are you sure you want to leave the meeting?" You can say yes if you want to exit. You can rejoin by clicking join once again. So this is actually the summary of how to join, how to exit, and how to um, switch on the Start Meeting app. So I wish you good luck. If you have any questions, you can further reach us for detailed explanation. Thank you.